What's up, everybody? This is Driven Life. All things driven. We don't care what kind of rig you have. Just get out there and have some fun. That's a Bronco on 37s following the Xterra. Another Bronco on 37s. That guy's built it all out. Just took it down to Baja and followed up by another LX. Here we are staging down by Switzer Lake. Here you go left, drive a little bit, make another left, and that'll place you on Dunkle Hollow, which we're hitting now. Really just easy, enjoyable trail. Be mindful of the ledge on your left. It does get narrow at times, but nothing you should really have to concern yourself with. Here we're coming up on a stop just to allow a couple of cars to pass by. Dunkle Hollow, Flagpole Knob, and Union Springs are all two-way trails, so you do have to be cognizant of oncoming traffic. 2 weeks prior to us running this trail, Tacoma did unfortunately roll while selecting a bad line per his own assertion. He was fine, thank God. Everyone was all right. It's very uncommon, so I wouldn't be particularly concerned about it, but do be mindful of where you look to pass oncoming vehicles. Fortunately, these folks were nice, and we were all able to make it work easily. As you approach this turn, it's one of the switchbacks up to the right. Just kind of stay closer to that tree as you make the right up here. It's not too difficult, but it did end up landing me in a bit of a spot. I took a wider route, ended up just positioning me awkwardly, and I think you can hear spinning of the tires. Kind of caught up on a rock and a rut, if you will. Not a big deal, just adjusted and pretty easily made it out. Right there, you can see us just kind of pop up and get over the obstacle. Another one right there. You'll see the Bronco on 37s took a much better line and just walked right up it. And you're going to see the Bronco right now just make light work of this. Again, it really isn't an obstacle. You just want to stay right there to the right. It's really one of the first switchback. At the top of Dunkle Hollow, you reach Flagpole Knob, which you see there. It's absolutely beautiful, really peaceful and serene. So bring a grill, hang out, enjoy your time there. Following that, you'll come down Union Springs, which you'll see gets a bit more technical, certainly a bit more rocky terrain. Nothing that a high clearance 4x4 should have any problems with, though. So I've fast forwarded or cut out some of the other terrain, but really left in most of the major obstacles that you would find, so you can assess for yourself whether or not it's something you feel confident in tackling. Again, I really don't think that any high clearance 4x4 would have an issue with. Let me know in the comments if you've had challenges with this or you found it to be really easy. Love to hear your feedback. This obstacle seems to give people a lot of pause for concern. Having done the trail, up and back, you could say that going down almost feels a bit more concerning because you're just a little bit imbalanced, as you can see here. The closer you do stick the driver's side to that tree, the more safe and sound, more stable the vehicle does feel. I think that this Xterra is on 33s. You'll see the LX570 come through now. That is on 35s and in high mode. So it's really not going to have any clearance problems. However, articulation is not always the best on the IFS LXs. I believe the next LX that's going to go past this is on 32s or 33s. Both make it through just fine, and you'll see the Broncos have a good time with this obstacle as well. Here at the top of the hill, you have an interesting obstacle. You'll get a better picture of it here in a second. But there's two rocks. You just got to be careful not to cut it driver's side too early. It'll trap your right rear tire. That happened to the Xterra as well as the LX. Kind of your call whether or not you want to put driver's side tire or passenger side tire on the which rock first. That's really going to be your preference, your call. I saw both tactics work. Here you can see the LX is a bit stuck, and the 35 tucked nicely in there. It was actually surprising to see how easily that was fully stuffed. And just need to reverse and go passenger a bit to clear that right rear tire. Which you're getting a picture of now. And easily cleared. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it informative. It's really what I'm seeking to do here is just make folks comfortable with the trails and also highlight the great obstacles and views and other experiences that they can look forward to enjoying on the trails. Driven Life here on YouTube and Instagram. Like, subscribe, and look for the notifications.